So today our network is continuing the vaccination of patients in care homes, and today's the turn of the care home that my dad lives in. So I'm going to be part of the team that's going in to do the Oxford vaccines for the patients in that home. It's a big deal because I haven't seen him in real life for nearly 10 months, and although we've seen him on Skype, we met up in the garden through a perspex screen, this will be actually being able to be in the same room as him, which is obviously quite a big deal. The Oxford vaccine is a game changer because it's so much easier to use than the Pfizer vaccine. So that's going to make vaccinating that really important group of people much easier for us. So it's an amazing team effort, and actually it's a great privilege for all of us to be involved in such a positive part of the health service at this very dark time. So my dad, Chris, he was an English teacher, so he absolutely loved all things literature, poetry, novels, going to the plays. That was one of our happiest times as children, that we got to see loads of things and visit loads of places. He was always very keen on helping people, and when I became a doctor, he was so proud of me. It was such a great thing for him. A few years ago, he just started to get a little bit more muddled. Eventually, he got diagnosis of dementia. My lovely mum looked after him at home, but eventually it just became too difficult for her to manage. So when the lockdown came, then Joe rang us up and said, "We're going to stop all visiting in the home. You need to come today. It's going to be the last day." And we had no idea it was going to be so long. When I realised that as part of our network, we would be vaccinating the Steps care home, I just thought this would be an amazing opportunity to take part in the vaccination programme and also to get to see him in a safe way. Hello there, Dad.
Hello.
I've come to give you your vaccination today to stop the virus. Yeah? We're going to do it in the left arm. We'll just take your cardie down. So it's great to be vaccinating the care home, and I'm so pleased to be able to give the first jab to my dad. He didn't recognise me first of all in all my PPE, but then he did, and it's been lovely to see him just briefly and start him being protected. Okay, it's going to be a sharp scratch then. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. And it had this extraordinary effect when people heard it.
All done.
It was like pulling the ring off a chemical.
I feel hopeful, and I'm also slightly tearful underneath this visor because it's quite an emotional day. Yeah. I'm going to give you a hand squeeze.
Here we are. See your faith room. That's